Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Friday, the 19th. TGIF, guys. Thank God it's Friday. This is our weekly recap. It goes out to all our my members, subscribers, goes out to people on Twitter, YouTube, wherever you're at. If you want to learn more about me, please visit us. The link below in the description, smartoptiontrading.com. We've added Discord. We now have a Discord server running as well. You can come in here and you can click on live trading alerts and learn about what we do. We have a live trading room, private Twitter feed, along with Discord. So let's talk about this week. Not the easiest of weeks to navigate with the Fed. We did put an all-time high in this week. The SPY broke out, put an all-time high here on Wednesday with the Fed. And then we promptly gapped down on Thursday. And here we are, came below the 21-day, but with about 30 minutes to go. We're above the 21-day, below the 8-day on the SPY with the rebalancing coming in here today. So we'll see how that plays out. Okay, so very tough week to navigate. It's been a very, very difficult week here in the markets. The Qs, they've been the weak link. Looked like they wanted to wake up on Wednesday, but could not push above this level. Failed, now back under the 8-day, but holding the 100-day. You can see we bounced there today. The IWM put an all-time high in here right away early this week on Monday. It's pulled back a little bit. The diamonds put all-time highs in this week. On yesterday, on Thursday, they were stronger. The financials, which have been very strong, getting smacked yesterday and today, with the Fed decision not to fund the banks anymore. And, you have overall a very messy market, with today being what is called the quad witch. We have a lot going on: options expiration, the SPY going ex-dividend, the rebalance, futures expiration. It generally creates quite the mess. And that's what we've seen overall today in the markets. The VIX briefly got below that 20 area and then bounced back above it and came back to it today and holding it. So the market's really saying to us it doesn't know what it wants to do. I look to next week to really give us a better idea of what this market wants to do and where it wants to go here. Was there strength this week? You betcha. If you're looking for names to play, it wasn't always the most evident. Boeing had a nice range high earlier this week, then came flying back off of it. CAT put a new all-time high in this week. So did Deere. The industrials were strong most of the week. They're holding in nicely here. The banks yesterday, JP Morgan, new all-time high. Look at that shooting star candle yesterday, right? Whenever you see a candle like that, you should be concerned. All the way back to the 21-day today. Goldman Sachs, similar type action. Same thing with Bank of America and all the other banks out there. So actually, Bank of America, nice bounce today, holding up better. Energy got smoked yesterday, trying to bounce back today. Crude had a vicious down candle today and pulling back about 50% of it here today. Overall, guys, the market's saying tech is still out of play. The one name that stands out in this mess is Facebook. Look at Facebook today, breaking a new range high. Believe it or not, it got within to about $12 of all-time highs. Market here is just very, very picky. It likes Facebook, doesn't like Twitter, doesn't like Snap. Google, which still has one of the best looking charts in tech out there and great earnings, this thing can't get going. So it's a very hit and miss. The semis, Intel has an event next week on the 23rd. We'll be watching that. Micron, been trying to get to that all-time high now for a month. Can't get there, that 97.50 spot. NVIDIA bounces and then gives it back. Can't hold in. Same thing with AMD. AMD now back below the 200-day here now for 2 sessions. Not a good sign. Apple, another one of our favorite tech names. It just can't wake up. It just wants nothing to do with this market right now. So right now we're in a kind of this tough market. You look at TLT and bonds. Bonds here, they bounced yesterday holding in. But really, if you keep looking at the 10-year yield at 1754 here on the TNX, this is a 52-week high. This is what has the market freaked out. And this is where the Fed failed to deliver on Wednesday, refusing to talk about it. As we go into next week, we have a quiet 10-day period to the end of the month. Jerome Powell does speak Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. That's going to absolutely cause this market fits. We know that. So just be prepared for that, and we'll see what he has to say. Hope everybody's doing well. My link is in the description below, smartoptiontrading.com. This is Mike, and everybody have a great weekend and enjoy the basketball.